Wondee Autoparts is a professional semi-trailer and parts supplier with a history of more than 20 years. On September 9, 1999, Wondee Trading Company Limited was created in the field of auto parts and industrial parts. From 2002 to 2005, Wondee Autoparts designed and developed casting turntables. Wondee is the first Chinese exporter of casting turntables. In 2004, Wondee Autoparts was built focusing on semi-trailers and components. In 2010, Wondee Autoparts Co.ltd. Limited was established, focusing on air suspension production. In 2014, the first overseas branch company, Wondee Autoparts Corporation Limited, was established in Toronto, Canada, to serve Canadian clients. In 2015, the second foreign branch company, Wondee Trailer Parts Incorporated, was established in Bellevue, Washington, USA, to provide local services to American clients. In 2016, the first overseas distributor was established in Bangladesh. In 2020, the video of Fight COVID has been produced and released. To serve global clients, Wondee Autoparts has established 4 production centers. The first one is Jiangxi Production Center for leaf springs, with 260 employees, a production area of 30,000 square meters, and an annual output of 35,000 tons. The second is Shandong Production Center for semi-trailers, trailer axles, trailer suspensions, and landing gears, with 350 employees, a production area of 50,000 square meters, and an annual output of 10,000 sets of semi-trailers, 80,000 axles, 100,000 sets of suspensions, and 50,000 pairs of landing gears. The third is Fujian Production Center for trailer turntables, U-bolts and center bolts, with 120 employees, a production area of 20,000 square meters, and an annual output of 20,000 turntables and 5,000 tons of bolts. The fourth is Hebei Production Center for casting suspensions, casting turntables and casting parts, with 150 employees, a production area of 25,000 square meters, and an annual output of 10,000 tons of casting parts. All products are manufactured in accordance with ISO TS 16949 standard. All services are supplied in accordance with ISO 9001 standard. Since 1999, Wondee Autoparts products has been exported to 74 countries, and more than 800 clients, including many well-known clients, have received our goods with satisfaction. So far, Wondee brand and Wondee products are very popular and accepted in North and South America, Europe, Australia, Africa, Asia, and Middle East. In order to serve clients better, sales and engineers have been dispatched to visit clients every year, helping them develop markets and solve problems they encountered. Now more and more top 10 clients in different countries invite us to cooperate in depth. Wondee Autoparts aims to become the leader supplier of semi-trailers and components. Our vision: 1. Reaching the highest levels of customer satisfaction. 2. Integral growth of our staff. 3. Ever optimizing relationships with supply chain. 4. Being harmonious with our community. Our values: open, honesty, respect, growth and reward. Based on the growth of client demands and improvement of company supply capacity, Wondee Autoparts is capable of supplying following products. 1. Semi-trailer series: skeletal semi-trailers, flatbed semi-trailers, fence trailers, low-bed semi-trailers, bench semi-trailers, tank semi-trailers, and logging semi-trailers. 2. Spring series: conventional spring, parabolic spring, semi-trailer spring, trailer spring, pickup spring, boat trailer spring, truck spring, agricultural vehicle spring, sprung dropper, air linker, TIA spring, OEM spring, etc., loose spring, and steel flat bar for springs. 3. Semi-trailer axle series: American type axles, Germany type axles, Thailand type axle, South African type axle, Brazil axle, agriculture axle, etc., and axle components such as axle tube beam, brake shoe, brake drum, axle hub, brake lining, bearing, pin, camshaft, air chamber, slack adjuster, etc. 4. Suspension series: American type mechanical suspension, Germany type mechanical suspension, bogie suspension, trailer suspension, semi-trailer suspension, full trailer suspension, truck suspension, casting suspension, YTE type suspension, ROR type suspension, air suspension, etc. And its components such as hanger, equalizer, torque arm, fixed and adjuster arm, leaf spring, U-bolt, spring plate, pin and bush, axle seat. 5. Landing gear series, inside landing gear, outside landing gear, just type landing gear, Holland type landing gear, Fuwa type landing gear, etc. And its components including connection bar, crank, an LW plate, and different feet such as T-type, A-type, S-type, and R-type. 6. Casting turntable and fifth wheel series, heavy-duty trailer turntable, light-duty turntable, double ball turntable, single ball turntable, U-type turntable, Z-type turntable. Turntable diameter is from 685 mm to 1300 mm. And forging fifth wheel, casting fifth wheel, and kingpin. 7. Other spare parts. Different rims including tubeless rim, tube rim, and aluminum wheel rims, different bolts such as U-bolt, center bolt and wheel bolt, and different bushes including copper bush, steel rubber bush, composite bushing, rubber bush, nylon bush and bimetal bush. And jacks, towing couplings, mudguards, lock rings, twist locks, and air tankers, etc.